Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars, where we bring your favorite rides to life, one review at a time. Today, we're diving into a sleek upgrade from one of the most beloved crossovers on the market, the 2026 Mazda CX-5. Mazda's compact SUV has always been known for its sharp styling, refined interior, and surprisingly fun driving dynamics. But for 2026, Mazda has taken things up a notch, and we're here to break it all down. At first glance, the new CX-5 keeps that signature Mazda elegance, smooth lines, a bold grille, and a confident stance. But the 2026 version feels more refined, more mature. The front end now features a slimmer headlamp design with Mazda's latest LED signature lighting, giving it a more aggressive, premium presence. Around the back, a slightly more sculpted tailgate and revised taillights bring a modern edge without straying too far from the design language fans love. Now, under the hood, Mazda keeps it familiar but tweaked for efficiency and power. Depending on the trim, you'll find either a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine or the turbocharged version delivering up to 256 horsepower. It's responsive, smooth, and with Mazda's smart all-wheel drive system, you get confident grip on all kinds of roads. This isn't a sports car, but for a compact SUV, it handles better than most in its class. That's always been one of Mazda's strengths, and the 2026 model keeps that spirit alive. Step inside, and you'll feel a difference immediately. The cabin of the 2026 CX-5 pushes closer to premium territory. The materials are upscale, soft touch surfaces, real stitching, and a minimalist design that feels clean, uncluttered, and modern. The center console now houses a larger 12.3-inch infotainment screen on most trims, finally catching up with what buyers expect in today's tech-driven world. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the new rotary dial still controls the screen for safer navigation while driving. The seating is comfortable, supportive without being too firm, and the rear seats are surprisingly spacious for a compact crossover. Mazda has improved the sound insulation too, so the ride feels quieter, especially on the highway. Cargo space remains decent, with fold-flat rear seats that make weekend getaways or grocery runs a breeze. Safety has always been a key focus for Mazda, and the 2026 CX-5 is no exception. The iActiveSense suite of driver assistance features now comes standard across all trims. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. It's not just about protecting you in a crash, it's about helping you avoid one in the first place. One of the most exciting things about this update is Mazda's commitment to a more electrified future. While the CX-5 for 2026 isn't a full hybrid yet, some trims now include mild hybrid technology that helps with fuel efficiency, especially in city driving. It's a small step, but an important one as Mazda continues moving toward its carbon neutrality goals. Driving the 2026 CX-5 still brings that unique, Mazda feel. Steering is sharp, throttle response is quick, and the whole vehicle just feels more connected than you'd expect from a crossover. It's refined but not boring, practical but not dull. It hits that sweet spot for buyers who want a little excitement in their daily drive, without giving up comfort, tech, or reliability. Trim levels start with the base S, then move up through Select, Preferred, Premium, and the top-tier Turbo Premium Plus, each one offering more features, more luxury, and in the case of the turbo trims, more power. Pricing hasn't jumped too dramatically either, which is great news if you're shopping in the mid-$30,000 range. So, who is this car for? If you're a young professional, a small family, or just someone who wants a stylish SUV that doesn't feel like every other one on the road, the CX-5 delivers. It's not the flashiest or the fastest, but it balances everything so well: design, performance, tech, and value, that it's hard to ignore. In a world where crossovers are everywhere, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 still manages to stand out, not by being louder or bigger, but by being better where it counts. Mazda didn't reinvent the wheel with this one, they just made it roll a little smoother, look a little sharper, and feel a little smarter. Thanks for tuning in to Dream Cars. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews just like this, and let us know in the comments, would you take the new CX-5 over a Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V? We want to hear your thoughts. Until next time, Keep dreaming, and keep driving.